Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making a fantastic Peppa Pig birthday cake. Awesome! Right then, here we go. This is what you're going to need. 500 grams of pink buttercream frosting, a sponge cake, a Peppa Pig cutout, black writing icing, 150 grams of dark pink buttercream frosting, 3 piping bags and a number 30 piping nozzle, and 50 grams of purple buttercream frosting. You're also going to need 50 grams of white fondant icing, a cookie cutter, and a rolling pin. Now let's start with our Peppa Pig cutout. First, we're going to cut off the ears. Then, place the main cutout over your sponge cake and slice around it. Once we've marked the shape for our cake, we're going to cut off the excess. Now we're going to use those parts to cut out the ears. Excellent! Using some pink fondant icing, you can stick your ears on. Brilliant! Now it's time to colour our Peppa pink. Lovely pink buttercream icing. Just lather it on there, covering the entire cake, including around the edges. Then just smooth it all out. There! Set it aside and get your dark pink buttercream frosting. We're going to put that into a food piping bag. This slightly darker shade of pink is absolutely perfect for creating the border around our Peppa Pig cake. But first, let's make Peppa's eyes by rolling out your white fondant icing. Roll it out flat and use your cookie cutter to cut out 2 circles. Then stick them on your paper cutout and trim to size. Just smooth the edges with your fingers. And then use the first one as a template to cut the second eye. Smooth that one out too. Now for our purple buttercream frosting. Time to put that in a food piping bag. Plus some more dark pink buttercream frosting. So now we have our 3 piping bags ready, let's stick the fondant icing eyes onto Peppa's face. And then create the border with the dark pink buttercream frosting. Perfect. Let's go round the eyes. And the snout. Don't forget the nostrils. A rosy cheek. And a purple mouth. Amazing! Now let's add the pupils to the eyes using the black writing icing. And use water to just dab down the edges. Now we're going around the edge with the dark pink buttercream frosting. This piping bag has a different nozzle on it, which creates this beautiful ridged effect. And there you have it. Look at that beautiful work of art. Amazing! Pretty in pink. What a character! Peppa Pig birthday cake. Here's a reminder of what you'll need. Get a pen and paper so you can note down the ingredients. Enjoy making this wonderful cake and leave us a comment below to let us know how you got on. Until next time, bye!